Are you opening it for them?
Yeah.
You don't want to ask if they want to open it?
No, I have to open it. It's like a bucket list thing of mine. I'm so sorry, guys. That's good.
Yeah, you're gone.
Hey, VeezyKids!
Today we are at Wendi and Lou Martinez's Palm Beach Boxing Farm. And they have some animals here. We're gonna be feeding them, playing with them, and wrestling them. All right, so stick around. What, you don't wanna wrestle them?
No.
We're actually filming right now in their catio, where I'll show you in a minute, but there's like 720,000 cats.
And a tortoise.
And a tortoise.
This is the catio. There's tons of cats in here, and the purpose of this huge enclosure is so that they can be safe from coyotes. And there's also a tortoise in here.
Yeah. Oh!
So they told us that brick over there is his girlfriend. I don't know what that means, but that's what we were told.
Oh, cool.
Oh, look at that guy popping out there.
Oh!
We're gonna go see him or her.
It's
Bro. Chill. Chill. Yeah, you got caught. Oh, you're so beautiful. And everything about you just screams beautiful. Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got. Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, you are. So that's Lola, and she is a horn cow. Bruh.
What? Ew.
Let me ride that donkey, donkey. Let me ride that donkey, donkey.
Oh, another guy.
Let me ride that donkey, donkey. Let me ride that donkey, donkey.
Okay, so now we're at the chicken coop, where there's a ton of them in here. There's a big one.
That one bites.
Anthony, they said this one bites.
You should go in. I don't like it.
See if he bites. I don't think he does.
Is he? Oh, it's scary. Hello. Oh!
Good. This is the world's smallest lizard.
What are you showing it to?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's cute.
Oh, it's going up my arm.
Okay,
No,
now we should
don't do that.
Give it to Jayla. She'll love that. Oh my gosh. Give it to you.
Oh yeah, she's scared of lizards.
Comment down below if I should get Jayla a lizard for her birthday. I hate you.
All right, it's that time of the show where we give away some free merch. Last week, Erica M217 said, and because of that, oh, it's over here. She gets that VeezyKid merch. So remember guys, if you're a subscriber, comment down below. Anything you want to say, just say it, and you might be selected to get some free merch. Back to the show. Wait, what?
But say something good, not weird.
Don't say something weird or Ryan will cringe.
Now we're at the baby cow enclosure, and they're not really friendly. They're kind of a little skittish. The orange one's name is Brisket.
Did you say skid it?
Skittish.
Dance break.
Yo, so we're about to enter the dog house.
Do the dog catch it, dog catch it, do the dog catch it.
Hi guys. Oh, oh, you got puppies. You've been busy. What is in here? Aww. Who is being loud? Who is this with all that noise? What are you gonna do? Something about little dogs I don't like. I like these big dogs like that. I can't, little dogs, they're squeaky voice. No, I need that, the big dog. So we will probably be getting a dog soon. I'm thinking Kangal or a Great Pyrenees. Comment below which one you think we should get. You guys know we already have a little Prince Pug. It's a boy, so we're probably gonna get another boy because I don't want no babies running around. And yeah, comment below which kind you think we should get, or what's another farm dog that maybe I don't know about, something that's gonna be good with chickens and animals and VeezyKids.
Okay guys, we now have a brand new P.O. box. If you guys want to send us gifts and drawings, you can do that now. We'll hang up all your drawings in our house. The P.O. box is listed down below.
So if you're subscribers and you're not getting notifications whenever we post new videos, I have a fix. Basically, when we first started this channel, it said VeezyKids and they automatically assumed it was just for kids. Well, it's not. So the way to fix that is to unsubscribe, resubscribe, and then from here on out, you're gonna get notifications whenever we post new videos. All right, so make sure you do that. We'll wait. Wait for them to do that, guys. Just, you done? All right, let's continue. Guys, we're over here at Paul Cuffaro's farm, PC Farm 1.0, and we're gonna be meeting Finatic, and we're gonna be meeting Paul, and I think Jaquan's gonna be here, and they are hand delivering us a set of Pokemon cards that we won last week on their live stream. Yo, if you guys are interested also in getting some for yourself.
Oh my
What the fuck?
Oh my gosh, she fell.
You all right?
Yeah.
Handheldstocks.com. If you guys want Pokemon cards, let me go make sure my daughter's okay.
Are you opening it for them?
Yeah.
You don't want to ask if they want to open
No,
it?
I have to open it. It's like a bucket list thing of mine. I'm so sorry, guys. What did you guys get? Oh, it was whatever we opened off the live. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
This is awesome, bro.
You're your own person receiving your own.
I mean, what'd you
product.
get? I'm sorry, I have to look. Nothing good. No, I'm just kidding. Well, here's this, guys. A Paul Cuffaro and Finatic sign pack. We're here, so we could have just done it for free, but that's okay.
Bruh.
Reverse Hollow Marketus. Don't know what that is. Never seen that card before. Dude, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Super cool, though.
god.
You get these ones. Oh my gosh, dude, that's so sick that we got the big. I'm glad it arrived. I always get scared that they never arrive.
Bruh.
Why? I don't know. They should always arrive.
Subscribe.
I feel like a surgeon.
Hope if we could put it on the edge right there.
Here, hold my hand or something.
Or jump into the. Good enough.
Good?
Yeah.
Jump.
Go, then.
Yeah, you're gone.
Why did he jump?
Thank you guys for watching today's video.
Make sure to hit the bell icon and join the Noti Gang. Subscribe to become a Veezy Kid like us.
Also, like the video and comment down below to win some free merch. Bye, guys.
Hey,